Welcome back to Dev Tech Problems, your go-to channel for solving tech challenges and building awesome projects. In today's video, we're diving into setting up our backend with Node.js. Node.js is a powerful, lightweight JavaScript runtime that allows us to create scalable and efficient backends for web applications. In this video, we'll go step by step to set up a basic backend using Node.js. By the end, you'll have a fully functional server ready to handle requests. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have Node.js installed on your system. Visit the official Node.js website to download and install it if needed. Once installed, confirm by running the commands node, v, or npm, v in your terminal. And if you want me to make a video on how to install Node.js and its setup, then comment below. I will make a video on it too. Now, let's create a new directory for our project and initialize it with npm. Run the following commands. This creates a package.json file that stores metadata and dependencies for our project. Next, let's install the essential packages for our project. We'll use Express to handle routing. Run the command npm install Express. This will add Express as a dependency in our project. For development convenience, we'll also install nodemon, which automatically restarts the server when files change. Run this command to install it, npm install, save dev nodemon. Now, let's update the package.json file to add a dev script. Open the file and add this line under the script section, dev, nodemon server.js. This lets us start our server in development mode using a single command. Now create a new file named server.js in the project directory. This will be our main server file. And now let's start by writing some basic code to set up our server. Import the Express library. Create an Express application instance. Let's define a basic route handle get request to the root/route. Send a hello world response to the client. Start the server, set the server port to an environment variable. Start the server and listen for incoming requests on the specified port. Log the server's running status with the URL. This code creates a simple Express server that responds with hello world when accessed. To run the server, use the following command npm run dev, then open your browser and visit this link to see your message displayed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial.